The special grand jury investigating former President Donald Trump in the 2020 election has now completed its investigation. So the jurors spent 8 months long investigating possible criminal attempts to influence the election results.
Yeah, and while the job of the jurors is now complete, prosecutors now have some tough decisions to make. Nick Wooten has details of what could happen next.
The 23-person jury turned over its report to Fulton County Judge Robert McBurney, and the jurors have been excused, according to court documents filed Monday. It's unclear if and how much of the report will be released. A January 24th court hearing will help decide that. We don't know what's in the report. Key events, though, we know the jurors focused on include the January 2021 call from then-President Donald Trump to Georgia Secretary of State Brad Raffensperger. That's the call where the president asked Raffensperger to find the exact number of votes to tip the election in Trump's favor. One legal expert tells me it's possible criminal charges will be recommended against Trump, just as the January 6th committee in Congress did after its investigation.
The special purpose grand jury here in Fulton County may be asking very different questions, and so there may be overlap in what we learn from interviews from the special purpose grand jury and the January 6th committee, but they may be coming from a different angle for a very different reason or with a very different outcome, and so that's important for folks to understand.
Legal experts tell 11 Alive attorneys for Trump allies will fight to keep this report private. Experts say the report likely recommends charges against Trump, but a special grand jury can't indict. To seek criminal charges, District Attorney Fani Willis will now need to go to a regular grand jury. And right now, we have an in-depth look at what comes next on 11alive.com.